So tell us, how has APPSeCONNECT changed Parrot's way of doing e-commerce?
For us, it's a business requirement. We cannot continue by a manual system of re-entering different information and updating the shipment status manually. So it was eating up a lot of productive resources time for us, and it's doing unproductive mechanical job. APPSeCONNECT also improved our customer service level, streamlined the order process, and improved Parrot efficiencies on business processes on the e-commerce.
So why did you choose InSync?
We chose InSync because we were looking for a partner who had a proven capability of delivering integrated solution. And we also choose InSync because you're a SAP Cloud partner, and we also saw that you have more than 150 experience on e-commerce stores.